Hi guys, welcome back to Glam and Gown, and we are back with yet another video. As the title says, I'm going to talk about the monthly favorites. And I know guys, I am uploading this video after a month. It's been a long time and इस एक महीने में बहुत कुछ हो गया मेरे साथ. मैंने एक गाड़ी खरीदी, मेरी आंखों का पावर जो है वो बढ़ गया था. फिर मैंने स्पेक्स चेंज करे, फिर एक दो और छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हुई हैं, like for example accident and all that, but we will talk about that later. Those secrets are not meant for this video. I'm gonna upload a different video and I'm gonna do a little chit chat with you guys on that video. So now on this video, without wasting any further time guys, let's just dive into the video. I'm gonna talk about my monthly favorites and I have a lot to talk about. I have food products, like खाने में तो I think 2 या 3 है, but then I have a lot of cosmetics. None are sponsored, but then I collaborated with few brands in the past and that's how I loved their products. और इस वीडियो में है, but हाँ sponsored कोई भी नहीं है इस वीडियो में. ये सारे जो है इनके साथ मैंने या तो कोलैबोरेशन करा है या तो मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे हैं. That's how happened. And now let's just start it. So the first product guys that I'm gonna talk about is this sheet mask. Now I'm not really a fan of sheet mask, but this one I really liked it. This one is from the brand Riyo Herbs. This one is age defining sheet mask which has rice, pomegranate and retinol. Now this says it goes for all skin types. I have tried a lot of sheet masks from different brands, but I don't know, it's a new brand और मेरे को इसका जो है consistency जो है ना बहुत thick लगा, and I really like the consistency of the product. It does absorbs quickly guys, and this one is priced for ₹130. This says it's cruelty free, it's alcohol free, it's vegan free, no paraben, no SLS, and you have to apply it for 15 to 20 minutes and just take it off. You don't have to wash it with water. Yes, प्लीज पानी से मुंह मत धो लेना इसको यूज करने के बाद. यूजुअली हम ऐसा कर देते हैं, बट नहीं, इसको लगाने के बाद आपको मुंह नहीं धोना है. So you can use a cleanser, wash your face and apply this. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. It will hydrate your face and then just massage it in circular motion, and after that use a moisturizer that will protect it. And this one is really great. Again, recommending you this brand Riyo Herbs, and इसके मेरे पास और 2 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं. ना ब्रांड जो है मेरे पास कोलैबोरेशन के लिए आई थी, मेरे को इसके जो बाकी 2 प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो इतने अच्छे नहीं लगे टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. सो नाउ आई हैव देयर सन प्रोटेक्शन सनस्क्रीन which has SPF 50 broad spectrum. So this one is a spray guys, and मार्केट में वी डोंट हैव अ लॉट ऑफ स्प्रे लाइक सनस्क्रीन में. आई थिंक 1 या 2 ब्रांड में होगा, और वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ना स्टिकी, मतलब वाइट कास्ट छोड़ देता है. मेरे को इनिशियली लगा कि शायद ये बहुत बढ़िया काम करेगा बिकॉज इसने अच्छा काम किया, बट इसने इतना अच्छा काम नहीं किया. एंड दिस वन इज प्राइस्ड फॉर ₹499. इट सेज इट गोज फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स, but I won't say it is for normal skin type. I really won't suggest this for acne prone skin beauties. And this has 100 ml, cruelty free, no paraben, no SLS free. It has a strong fragrance which again I'm not really fond of, and probably that is the main reason I did not enjoy the product. And the third product that I have from the same brand is this Riyo Herbs water cream with hyaluronic acid and sea minerals. Now it says it goes for all skin types, and I would agree, but then I don't know, I did not enjoy this product as well. Now इसका जो consistency बहुत thick है, and it takes a lot of time to absorb into your skin. मतलब जो sheet mask है वो बहुत जल्दी absorb हो जाता है, but ये time लेता है. I'm just gonna show you how the consistency looks like. Okay, can you guys see? This is that thick, and let me just tell you the price as well. I think this one is, and this one is priced for $650 for 100 ml. Now this says it's cruelty free, no paraben, no SLS, everything is fine, but then didn't really enjoy the fragrance, the consistency, sorry. So the next product that comes on the list is a hair oil, and you guys already know that I am a fan of hair oil. I love applying hair oil. Now I have this brand called Fytika Lush Lock Kit. So they were kind enough to send me this box, और इस box में जो है tablets थी, hair tablets for growth, for hair growth, then hair mask था और hair oil था. I really liked the hair oil, but I'm not really a fan of the hair mask and the tablets, guys. Let me just show you the packaging and how it looks like. So it's like this. We have this hair oil, and then we have a hair mask, and we have hair tablets. Now जो इसका hair oil है वो really superb है. This one is priced for 749 rupees for 100 ml. This one is expensive, but it reduces your dandruff, guys. This one is a miracle hair oil. I loved it. And if you see, the composition says it has amla, so now it has bhringraj, all of the good ingredients, and this is so rich, so luxurious. I loved it. I really like the fragrance as well. It does enhance your personality. It's lovely. It's so smooth and silky. I liked it. I loved it. Like, I can use it as a serum as well, so I am definitely recommending this one. This one is the hair oil which promotes hair growth from the brand Fytika Lush Lock Hair Oil. इसका जो hair mask है वो बहुत छोटा सा है, and this one is not that expensive. It's for 350, but I think this one is what, 50 grams probably. I don't know. I think it's 50 grams. बहुत थोड़ा सा है, मतलब ये 3-4 बार ही आप यूज़ करोगे एंड दैट्स इट. ये जो है पाउडर फॉर्म में है, आपको पेस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा और फिर आपको अप्लाई करके रखना पड़ेगा बालों पे एंड बस 5-10 मिनट बाद आपको धोना है. सो नाउ दिस पैकेजिंग सेज दैट मिक्स रिक्वायर्ड क्वांटिटी ऑफ मास्क विद इनफ ऑयल. सो गाइज, एज इट्स पाउडरी फॉर्म यू कैन ऐड वाटर एंड मेक इट अ पेस्ट एंड अप्लाई इट फॉर गुड 5 to 10 मिनट्स. उसके बाद जो है ल्यूक फॉर्म वाटर से बालों को धो लेना, और या फिर आप जो है इस हेयर ऑयल को भी यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड दिस हेयर oil onto this powder and just make it a paste, apply it, keep it for good 20 minutes. Okay, this time keep it for good 20 minutes because effective होता है अगर आप 20 minutes रखते हो. 5-10 मिनट में तो पता नहीं चलता. I know मैंने को 5-10 मिनट बोला, but I think 20 minutes will give you better results. And then I have these hair tablets. This one is again for hair growth, and I have not used the tablets, so I'm not really sure how the tablets are. It says to be taken twice a day, morning and night. It says that if you're using the tablets, then only it will be effective, the hair mask and the hair oil. And this whole composition is somewhere around 1499, which is 1500 rupees. 1500 rupees में आपको hair mask मिल रहा है, hair tablets मिल रहे हैं, और hair tablets अब तभी खाना जब आप ये दोनों use करोगे regular basis पे. It says it's natural, it goes for all hair types, it has Ayurvedic properties, and yes, I really enjoyed the hair oil. It has a beautiful fragrance, but not really sure about the tablets and the hair mask because I have so many products जो ऑलरेडी मतलब मेरे को ट्राई करना है और आई एम लाइक ऑलरेडी टेस्टिंग एंड ट्राइंग, तो ये मेरे को ट्राई करने का टाइम नहीं मिला टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. बट येस, इट कम्स इन माई मंथली फेवरेट्स बिकॉज द हेयर ऑयल डिजर्व्स ऑल माई लव अटेंशन. आई हैव ट्राइड सो मैनी, लाइक आई थिंक मेरे हर एक वीडियो में ना मैं हेयर ऑयल दिखाती हूँ, और इस वीडियो में ये जो है ना ये टॉप पे है अभी जो है, एंड ये जो है आपकी गिफ्टिंग पर्पस के लिए बहुत बढ़िया है. And the next product is a perfume, guys. This one is from the brand Oriflame. Now I am really a big fan of the products from the brand Oriflame. I've used so many of their products, and this one again is one of my most favorite. This one is Possess, and this one is somewhere around I think 3500 or 3600. Bhai, I am just in love with this perfume. This one is not at all sponsored. So guys, none of them are sponsored, and as I mentioned previously, I had done collaborations with the brands, and इनके 1-2 प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे लगे मेरे को, और 1-2 जो है मेरे को इतने अप टू द मार्क नहीं लगे, तो आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग माई रिव्यूज अबाउट इट. जैसे कि रियो हर्ब में मेरे को जो है शीट मास्क अच्छा लगा, बट जो आपका फेस क्रीम था और जो दूसरी चीज़ थी वो नॉट एट ऑल अप टू द मार्क. द सनस्क्रीन वॉज लाइक अ बिग नो. एंड देन हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, इसमें से सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे को हेयर केयर का जो हेयर ऑयल है वो अच्छा लगा. बाकी तो जो है मैंने ट्राई करा, मेरे को ब्रांड ने भेजा था, मैंने ट्राई करा, बट I didn't enjoy it. Now this one is okay. I have been trying this since 2014 or 15 probably. I just love this. So this does comes on my top perfume list category, and loved everything about it. everything. इसका जो बॉक्स है मेरे को हर 4 दिन में मंगवाना पड़ता है बिकॉज मैं पूरा दिन खाती रहती हूँ, मेरा मुंह चलता रहता है. एंड whenever I'm watching television, I'm editing videos, I am doing my office work, बीच बीच में ये मेरा चलता रहता है. I'm always taking it with black coffee, sometimes with tea, with green tea. So really fond of these cookies. Those who want to lose weight and those who are really fond of cookies can definitely give this one a try. And the next one that I have is this PVR 4700 BC popcorn. Okay, I know a lot of you guys know this one, but again, I love this specific flavor. This one is Himalayan salt caramel popcorn. इसको भी मतलब हर 10 दिन बाद में मेरे घर पे इसका बॉक्स आता है बिकॉज रियली इसका जो टेस्ट है गाइस, you guys know, and इसके बहुत सारे flavors है, cheese and I don't know, like बहुत सारे हैं, but I'm really fond of this one. This one is the caramel popcorn, the Himalayan salt, and you guys can see, loved it. Now this one is for 175 rupees I think, but really a fond of this. If you are fond of popcorn और आपको sweets बहुत पसंद है, do give this one a try, and I'm sure आप लोगों में से बहुत लोगों ने try करा है. This is just yummy. मतलब ये मेरी गाड़ी में भी रखा होता है, और अगर मेरी गाड़ी में कोई आता है ना तो by mistakenly अगर उसका हाथ इसमें आ गया, उसने खा लिया, तो that person says wow ये क्या है, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को बहुत चीजें नहीं पता होती, एंड हम धीरे धीरे सब कुछ सीखते हैं, जानते हैं आसपास चीजों को देख के. A lot of people told me about this, that they really liked it, and that's how I'm always keeping it in my car. Let me show you how it looks like. And that was it guys. I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. I have a lot to share, I have a lot to tell, so do wait for my videos and keep watching. I love you all, you know the drill, right? I love you all. Take care of yourself, be safe, and see ya.